So we're in Pleasanton, California today. They had two other carpet cleaners come out. The guy wasn't happy with the way it turned out last time. None of the carpet cleaners got the spots or the stains out. There is some wear on the carpet, but it's a lot of chocolate, throw up, especially stains everywhere. We worked on those specialty stains best we can, and I said we got 95% of everything out. So everything came out great. Was really happy. We restored the carpet to like new condition. They're selling the house, so the real estate agent told them possibly you might have to replace it because all the spots and stains. But 95% of the spots and stains came out, so they're not replacing the carpet, and that's going to save them thousands in the end. So it's definitely ready to sell now. As you can see, before, after, before. Where? Spots.